The pipe is close to this. It was somewhere like right here. I can't see those. I don't know how long it's been like this either.
Jeez. Is there... Wow. And you had the water shut off, yeah?
Yeah, the water shut off is at the front.
Yeah.
I don't think that's anything.
Okay, well, I'll start digging. We'll find out what it is. Okay, so I dug it a little bit. I thought she had turned it off at the street, but she turned it off at the house meter because I had called her to figure out what was going on, because I'm way up here in Mandeville Canyon on the west side. And I wanted to make sure that I knew what I was getting myself into before driving over here at 4:30. Why is that not working? Why is that not friggin' working, dude? Stupid thing. I just got this back from Milwaukee. I think it's broken still. There we go. What the heck was that, dude? Right there. Got this little device to keep it from clogging. All right, I'm gonna dig. I forgot my dirty phone that I use for all these jobs, so I'm not gonna get as many action shots. It's right there. Galvy, dude. Ooh, that's not good. I'm pretty sure that's Galvy. But maybe not. Maybe not. Alright. Let's keep digging.
Trust them to come fix it.
Yeah, they probably wouldn't want them on the property,
Exactly.
huh? You're like, how do we know you're going to do a good repair? Alright. Let's clean this up. I got to turn the water on just to see exactly where it's
It's
leaking.
a little bit further by that knee.
This? This side?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
But
okay. All right, we got the Galvy or black iron cleaned up as good as possible. I think it'll be all right. Just gonna chop it and then do copper. I don't see any holes in it, but there certainly was. Carbon 316s. That's some clean cuts. And then just gonna I don't want to put those on yet until I really clean that and ream it. But what we're gonna do is, ouch. Come on, man. So you want to ream it. Inside and out. Okay.
we didn't have to.
All right.
This plumber was a jerk.
All right, we got the carbon 316s. I'm gonna need two hands for this, but you get the picture. All right. Let's turn the water on. All right. Let's see if I can do this by hand. Yeah. Ain't no leak, no mo. Hope not. Is it leaking?
There's another hole.
Where?
So close to where you cut it.
Oh, man.
Ain't that a bitch?
We didn't see that one before. It was right there.
I wonder if because the other one was so big that all the water, the pressure went out the bigger one. I don't know.
Wow.
Duct tape?
Well. Oh, man. Okay. We're going to try to go this route with a brass nipple. And hopefully that'll work. It's a dresser coupling, 3/4.
Right here.
So the way it goes is you got this, you got the little metal thing, and then the rubber, and then that goes on like so. Boom, right like that. So that's gonna go in about halfway. And then you tighten that up. Then we'll get a brass nipple approximately. Let me measure real quick. Pairs like this very often. So you got an 8-inch nipple. So we need 6 inches, one side threaded. Thread into the adapter. And we're gonna cut the other side. Okay, so same thing, you got the little metal gasket in there. That's gonna go on there, right like that. And they don't have to be right up against each other like a slip coupling should be. So you have all this room for play. Okay, so it's somewhat in the middle here. And they're somewhat close to each other, but you know, you can see what I'm messing with here. So now you just put them together and thread both sides on. Make sure this is getting the rubber is getting a nice seal. And as you can see, there is a direction to which the rubber should go into the coupling. Water's back on, folks. Got it. It's like a chronology. This is as new school plumbing as you can get, all the way to old school plumbing. Good. That's good news. If the red thing's not moving, then you ain't got no leaks. But as I said, this is not a
Permanent solution.
honestly, I wouldn't even backfill this. I would leave
Okay.
that. I would just leave it because
for the time
this is, as you can see, as janky as it gets. But you know, what else are you gonna do in a situation like
You know,
this?
if I can shower tonight,
Yeah, you can now.
then I'm happy.
Yeah. All right.